Hey, what's up guys, MCF Got Milk and welcome back to another auto video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to eliminate outside noise from inside the cabin of your car. So there's a few things that you gotta remind yourself of, is that it's not going to be completely soundproof. Because you got your doors, you got the engine directly in front of you, you got, again, the vents that lead to the engine, which engine makes noise. So there's certain things that can be fixed, certain things that can't be fixed. I had one big problem. I'm doing it on the passenger side because I already fixed my driver's side. So I'm gonna use my passenger side for example. So I'm driving and all you would hear is wind from the door. It was just constant. It felt like my windows were down. It was awful. What it was this seal right here. As you can see, let's get better lighting. It's the seal. See how there's a plastic seal and then there's the part of the car and then more of a seal. This seal right here was loose. So every time I was driving, I was pushing it in like so. See how it moves? Every time I push it in, it would eliminate, but then it would slowly push back out. And then again, from here, the wind would get in through here and make noise, and it was just awful. So instead of replacing the whole entire liner, what did I do? Handy dandy duct tape. That's what I did. And I'm gonna show you exactly what I did. Just this. What I did was I took a little piece of duct tape, put it on the inside where it's not touching the window. As you can see, I have enough room to touch the window with my fingernail. Did that, pushed, see how it still moves, how loose it is? I don't know why it does that, but tape there, drag it all the way back onto the hard surface, and it does not make a sound anymore. So if you're wondering why you're driving and you hear so much noise coming from the left, right, the back, try that method. Because again, I'm sitting here driving and I have to keep on pushing this back because the wind. So if you hear wind from anywhere on the seal, try that. Try pushing it up, getting duct tape, and wrapping it over. But you also gotta remember is you cannot block out engine noise. The car is made how it's made. There's soundproof cabins now, but this is a 2007, so I can hear the engine perfectly clear. It's still nice and quiet, but you can obviously hear the engine when it's going, but what car doesn't? But alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm just showing you that one quick tip because again, duct tape can save your life. And I want to apologize real quick for not posting much videos. I took a vacation about a week and I'm back now and I apologize. And I'm also going to be posting a few gaming videos here and there because I do want to do cars and gaming. Also, I got my motorcycle license. That's right, I got my motorcycle license and I'm going to go get a bike. And we might do some motorcycle videos as well if that's what you guys want to do. But as always guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like my Twitter. Make sure you like my Instagram. Follow them. Make sure you like this video and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care.